Hi there, I'm Lisa, this is Ted, my husband, and along with Hans, air Alsatian, and Bessie, who thinks she's a kangaroo, we are Chateau de Montmagny. March 2020, when COVID spanned the globe and the world began to lock down, we decided to turn our lives upside down and begin the adventure of a lifetime. We threw in our jobs, packed up the car, and purchased this 14th century historical monument.
You have arrived.
Woohoo!
We have arrived.
With no previous experience and just £80,000 budget and a tent as our temporary residence, we plan to transform this abandoned, unloved historical monument into a family home and thriving business. We have so many new skills to learn along the way, but we invite you to come along for the ride. So strap yourselves in and let the fun begin. Okay, so today's Friday. We didn't do any videoing yesterday because yesterday was just literally shopping day. We spent the whole day shopping for all of the stuff for the event. There are a few things we now know we've forgotten, so we've got to go back out later. But today is Friday, events tomorrow, and we have a lot of stuff to do. So Anita and Helen's turned up. They're going to be prepping food for the barbecue. I'm going to be cooking cakes. Ted's doing signage and moving stuff around and just trying to cut all the grass, cut the car park area. Loads going on. So during the course of the day, I'll catch up with everyone, what everyone's doing. And my first job, though, oh, and this morning we had checkout. So I've got to do changeover of 3 apartments. And now I've got a phone call. Anyway, speak to you in a little while. Okay, so first job for me is making the scones. Can't have afternoon tea. English style without scones. So I'm making fruit scones and cheese scones. First lot in the oven. Lots more to go. Okay, first lot done. Second lot in. So while my scones are cooking, let's go and have a quick look and see what everybody else is up to. I hear chopping going on. Right, what you lot up to over here?
Cleaning, boss.
Cleaning.
Chopping, coleslaw, dancing at the same time.
We need to, we've got the dancing chef, but we need to have a little nickname for Anita, don't we?
Okay. Do you want me to comment on that?
Right, so what's the plan of action for today? What have you got to do today?
Right, we're doing coleslaw. I've chopped beetroot. I'm doing pasta salad. We're doing some couscous. Cooking some sausages. Having a dance.
We need some music on.
That's what we just said.
We need to get some music out here.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Here you on the head, Anita. Anita, what are you up to?
Well, I'm just getting ready to prep, stock the fridges up with beers and wine for tomorrow. 1 beer fridge, 1 wine fridge. Cleaning everything down. That's about it for now.
Right, I'll leave you to it. I'll come back later and see how you're getting on. So as you can see, my planting is kind of midway. I have done a lot of planting. I've planted planted up all my monument. I've still got a few plants left here to do, but I got on quite well the other day. I also did all my weeding out here and weeded all my troughs. So cut back all my herbs. Did a bit more planting. I'm not really sure what these are. Hands are not supposed to be licking dirty water. Bit of ivy in, cut back all my mint so it's hopefully grows nicely. All my chives have been cut back, given room to grow. This sage, my sage is coming on lovely, and that's because I use it so much in a lot of cooking, so it gets cut back a lot. But yeah, all my potted plants, I did a bit of they're all coming on really lovely. My windows, cleared out all my windows, put a few more plants in there, but that's where the rest of them are going to go. My pots down here all cleaned out. My windows looking a bit better. So yeah, we've got on quite well. I think Ted's out the back. I think I can hear him out the back doing the car park area. So we'll have a quick look out the back window because I can't leave my scones for long. They only take 12 minutes. But we're going to have a look out the window, see if we can see him. You what?
I'm going to put beers in one fridge,
Yeah.
wine in the other, all the tins in the bottom with ice.
Yep.
And free that fridge up, and then any food you can put in that fridge up there, and then all my drinks will be cold for tomorrow, otherwise they're not going to be cold.
Cool.
Is that all right?
Yeah. What I'd like to do is have this room clear, so when we're doing the tours as well,
Yeah.
clear all this room out.
All right, no worries.
So we could do that at the end of the day, can't we?
Yeah.
Hokey dogs.
What should we do? Both Grimberg and Kronenberg, yeah? 1664.
Yeah, I didn't buy too much more Grimbergen because 1664 is the most popular.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, second lot out. Third lot going in. Teddy Bear's tasting the scones there, Kay.
Yeah, they're good.
So how you got on this morning?
Yeah, I've done your big signs out all the way down here now on a framework, so it's portable and you can fold it up. I've cut all the car parks all cut, and I'm just about to cut over there. It's taken forever to cut that.
Did it?
Well,
Does it
it's
look
that-
alright though?
It was that high.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks fine. It's quite a bigger area.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, shouldn't talk when I'm my mouth full.
But it's a busy day and we don't have time to stop.
Exactly. So yeah.
Getting there.
I've got to make a load of signs, toilet signs, parking signs, which I'll do now. But I'm just looking at the weather and whether I should start to cut because it looks very
I'd
black.
get that done now, baby. At least it's done then, isn't it?
Yeah, in worst cases we can just print out bits of paper, can't we?
Yeah. Okay, scones are done. Lemon drizzle cakes out. Victoria sponges in. Ted's finished doing the cutting, so we're just going to go and have a quick look.
Come down here and look. We don't have to look from there
Yeah.
up to the top.
Yeah, that's perfect.
All the way. So
Yeah.
it's just down that line there. I don't need to go any further, do I?
No.
Individually two.
How are we getting on, ladies?
Voila!
Voila!
Coleslaw, couscous, beetroot, pasta salad, sausages,
Look, she's all happy when she's on form. Look.
potatoes.
Cool.
I'm just waiting for them. And then that's it. Do you want me to work?
No thanks. Okay, so drinks are all.
Yeah.
Drinks all done.
Yep, drinks are done, fridge is filled.
So you're all happy over here, yeah?
Yep.
Cool. So the cakes are all made, the barbecue's all prepped, and all the lawns and parkland is cut. It's time to say goodbye to the girls. Okay, so the girls are finished up for the day. How much you got done?
Loads.
Nearly loads of it, yeah. There's only a bit to do now tomorrow, so
You
pretty
quite-
confident.
Yeah.
Pretty confident.
Are you looking forward to it tomorrow?
Yes.
Yes, I'm so excited! Cannot wait! Yes, kitchen!
You're just excited because Joshua's coming to film.
Yes! Oh, my makeup and everything!
Anita, are you that excited?
No, definitely not. I'm sorry. I couldn't even pretend to be that excited.
Okay, so onwards and upwards tomorrow. Good day.
Bye, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. So it was the end of the day for the girls, but not for us. There was still so much to do. There was changeovers, which meant washing, ironing, replacing sheets, making sure the bedrooms were all clean and tidy for our next set of guests that were turning up the next day. Okay, next job on the list.
Move the benches.
Move the benches. Wonderful neighbourhood farmer, Hugh, has come to help us with the trailers. So it's to get all the benches out onto the parkland. So we've got the lot in the courtyard and this lot to do. So, let's see how they get on. Okay, so the last thing I said to Ted was I want them more over this side, and they're putting them right over the back. So they're moving them again. Okay, it's quite dark. It's 7:30 at night. I've just run down to Leclerc before it's shut to get some chicken because I wasn't able to get any chicken from the wholesalers. And there was a couple of other things I ran out of for cakes. So I've just run down to get that. We've done pretty much as we can do today. There's just one more job I need to do when I get home, and that is doing the there's just one more job I need to do when I get home, and that, what is that? What job have I got to do with that? Oh, I've got to do the signs for prices, and that's about as much as we could do today. It's been another 16-hour day. It's now, like I say, 7:30, and I'm pulling in to something that I shouldn't be pulling into because there is no way I'm cooking tonight. I'm afraid it's old Denzel's. I don't know why Ted calls this place Denzel's, but this is what he calls it, Denzel's. Get some food, get back home, do the signs, and hit the hay for the night because tomorrow is going to be a very, very long day and a very early start. We'll see you then.